how to reset the maintenance required warning. I changed my oil, so I need to reset that. It's 2007 Toyota Sienna. Go to the push auto trip /trip button right there, and you're gonna get it to this setting, the ODO setting, or the odometer. That's trip A, trip B, odometer. Okay, now you're gonna turn off the car. Now you're gonna turn the car back on while holding, well, you're gonna put the car in the on position. You're not gonna turn on the motor, but you're gonna turn on the lights, and you're gonna put the car in the on position without turning on the car while you're holding this button here. So again, hold this button and then put the car in the on position without turning on the car. So go ahead. Got one more. Okay, perfect. You saw that sequence? Let it go. And that should reset the maintenance. Yep, it just went off. Right there. So you turn it off. Turn it back on. Maintenance required light is off. So that's all you do. Thank you for watching. Bye.